I have a headache. It's way too early in the morning for this shit.
In all of my dreams, you're all I see. So what can I do?
Okay, so here's the thing. I got this tablet off of eBay. Look at this. What's that? What's this? Why is it all blurry? It's sharp up here. It's doing that down here. So I have to make a trip to the Microsoft store. And the closest Microsoft store is in San Francisco. Okay, if you haven't drank aloe before, aloe is the best thing you will ever drink. Okay, we're in San Francisco, calling a lift. Okay, it's calling me. Hello? Hello? Yeah, I'm on my phone holding a camera.
Hey man, Elvis.
What's up?
Bro, how's it going today?
Good. How's your day?
Too bad, you're getting started, bro.
You draw a square, it turns into a square, right? Cucumber with two oranges attached to it turns into it.
I can send you that, the message I got.
Because
but, like,
we came all the way from Sacramento just
I
to come
understand,
here.
but I can't do